Alright, hello guys and welcome back to another YouTube video. This is Jonathan from Technical Limiters, here to empower your inner creativity, so keep watching. Alright, so I have many requests for me to do Adobe Dreamweaver 2022, and this is for Windows version only, and so keep watching. Alright, so in order for you to start the basics or create your own own HTML, before going on to create your own website, you will need to create your own HTML and CSS file. So today I'm just going to touch on HTML file itself. But in order for you to start doing HTML file, first you will need to go to File, click on New. Alright, so remember that I'm using Adobe Dreamweaver 2022, and it's for Windows version only. Alright, so File, you go to New, and then you'll be able to select go to select a new document, or you can even do starter templates if you want, and then you can also do site templates. Anyway, so back to HTML document, you'll be able to do create a HTML website from the start. Right, so in order for you to do, click on HTML, click on new document, click on HTML, click on create to start a new one, and there you go. Right, so now what you need to do is that you need to go to File, Save As, and remember, if you want to do a website, right, so you have to save as index file. So you go save an index file. In this case, I'm just going to go to desktop, go to new, and then put project. Then I put here index. Right, just rename your file index and click save. Right, so index HTML. Now you're able to go here, and then you'll be able to fire up, and you can see that the browser, the command to give the browser to open up in the browser is now ready. Alright, so thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoy this video. In my next video, I'm going to, if you have any other requests that you would like, do remember to click on the forms down below at my YouTube channel. See you guys in the next video. Take care and enjoy.